What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. And guys, in this particular video, I'm going to be doing the review of the iPhone 11 in 2021 because from majority amount of angles, this particular iPhone is the best value for the money Apple product. Well guys, take example, the current iPhone 12 mini is for 70,000 rupees, whereas for the price tag of 55,000 rupees, the iPhone 11 is much more value for the money. So guys, with the help of this video, I will keep everything very simple and tell you the honest opinion about this phone. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. This iPhone is already one generation old, but still as an overall package, it is a very capable player. Well guys, I personally know so many people who have just now purchased this particular iPhone, and after contacting everyone, I can tell this for sure that this particular device is a universal solvent. Well guys, see, if you want a phone for gaming, if your main priority is regarding a longer battery, then this is the best iPhone to go for. Other than that, if you are interested into a great quality camera system, still this particular iPhone is very good. Well guys, in all of the aspects, this particular device is a true champion. Let that be the build quality, let that be the camera quality, and overall the entire experience is completely up to the point. But guys, there is only one downside, and that is the overall display. Well guys, still many people have no issues using a LCD panel, but still if you have ever used an OLED display, then you cannot go back towards an LCD panel. But other than that, in every single aspect, the iPhone 11 is a true champion. Well guys, in India, you are getting this smartphone for maximum 55,000 rupees, and if you buy this in any particular offer, then you can get it even below 50,000 rupees. Well, nowadays, every single user is using their smartphone to the fullest potential. Well guys, even if you are an elderly person who uses their phone for all of the social media like WhatsApp, still you are having 3 to 4 hours of total screen on time. So guys, basically, as per time, everyone's usage has kind of increased. And guys, this particular phone will definitely give you one entire day of battery backup. Well guys, see, if you can go towards the iPhone 12, then you are most welcome. Or else you can even go for the iPhone 11 Pro. But guys, still for this kind of price segment, the iPhone 11 is a very compelling option, and for the further 3 to 4 years you will have no worries about the overall software support.